There's one mistake tenants make over and over, and it can seriously damage your complaint. Calling your social housing landlord when you should be writing. Call your landlord when you're reporting something for the first time and it's minor. A dripping tap, a stiff door, a small job that just needs logging. Call their emergency repairs line when something needs urgent attention, like a burst pipe, no heating, or no hot water. And that's it. That's when you call. Write when you've already called and nothing has happened. Write when the issue is affecting your health, safety, or ability to use your home. Damp, mould, no heating, antisocial behaviour. Write when you've had to chase the same issue more than once. In any of these situations, a phone call isn't enough. You need a written record. When you put something in writing, your landlord is obliged to respond within set time frames. You have a timestamp, you have evidence. If they don't act, you can escalate through the formal complaints process, and if needed, to the Housing Ombudsman. Without a written record, you've nothing to escalate with. So remember, if it's not in writing, it's much harder to prove. If you need help writing a complaint, there are template letters in the description. Any questions? Leave them below.